Hello traders, welcome to the live stream. Just confirm if I'm audible to you. Okay, Rajesh sir, thank you for confirming. Now quickly in the comment section, just let me know what is your view about the market. What do you think is the next potential? Will it move towards the upside or downside? What is your view according to the current market condition? Let me know, then I will share my view as well. Thanks to everyone who's liking the video without me asking. Really appreciate that. Suresh Kumar sir, good evening. Sai sir, hello. Kalaivani madam, hello, welcome to the live stream. 34 people have joined the live stream. How much ever possible, please consider to like the video. Just 10 more likes. If 10 more likes if I get, I'll start sharing my view about the market. Ganesh Kumar sir, good evening. Good evening sir, I feel market can give an upside spike. Okay. All right. So market at this point of time, it is a bit confusing. I need to agree. At this time, market gave a breakout, attracted some buyers, and quickly we could see a correction. After this correction is not a problem, but after this breakdown, what would have happened? Many people would have been interested to take a bearish trade, right? So now market to remove weak buyers, it has chances of moving towards the upside, and later from the upper end again it can move. So to confidently enter a bearish trade, I'm considering this area, okay? Or if market goes towards the upside, better price for entry, there I can consider bearish trade. Now it is just trading within a box, right? So within this box, placing my stop loss here, if I randomly enter, let's say another 10 minutes, market, if it gives a sudden spike towards the upside, I will end up in trap. So little up to this zone we will wait. My expectation is in case market moves at the upper zone, they can push the market towards the upside. Let's say it gave a breakout here. After trapping people, it can correct. Or from this zone itself, if market goes below this area, that means to a certain extent we can say they don't want to trap people at the top. Rather, they want to push the market lower than this. So with that view, I'm looking at the market. Hope my view is clear. At this point of time, taking trade any side is kind of 50-50. There are some convincing option reason why to take a bearish trade. Also, you see market is respecting 382 level here, correction, retest 382 level and correcting. So this is one available option. For this stop loss also, I don't think is too much, close to 500 points. Little within the zone. If I wait, maybe if I get better entry, I can plan the trade. That's what I'm saying. Okay, seems like it will correct a little bit before going up once again. Okay, small upside move for SL hunting. The possibility is that too much time it is holding. I've been looking at the market from quite some time. It's been holding this range itself. So hi sir, what happened yesterday? Yesterday I wanted to come live, but until the last moment I was prepared to come live, but some important commitment came. See, certain unavoidable circumstances, In recent times it is happening. So I had to prioritize that. That's why even I could not send a message. Sorry for that. Hi sir. Good evening sir. Missed you yesterday. Even I missed trading yesterday. Hello. Hello. Good evening. I've given the reason. How is your day? My day, Nifty, Bank Nifty, it did not go that well. I think for many people who's following a free Telegram channel, you would have captured a decent move. You see, my setup was somewhere at, I was planning for a bearish trade. For me, stop loss got hit, but later I had discussed about this buying pressure zone. So market smoothly moved towards the upside. And I think around, let's say, yeah, around 12:22, I said call traders better to trail your SL to maximum. Many people took the bullish trade, 53 people, 53% around. After that, later point of time, I said call traders better to trail SL to the maximum. So at what time this was? Around 12:22. I think market was holding on to this range after that quick fall in Bank Nifty. Nifty, I was saying this is the selling pressure zone, but after this continuous move, I don't know how much it is going to hold. Nifty held on to that range for some more time and later corrected. But see, I had taken a different trade. In that I had to book loss. Since uh, every day we keep a loss limit for our trades, right? Once that loss limit hits, I made a rule not to take the trades. So I avoided the trade, so I was a bit free. I shared my view. Today was my bad day. I made a loss by taking PE trade. Felt so bad. Even I took traders. Even I felt bad. What to do? See, everything was based on price action, stop loss hunting, but artificially before the expiry day, they want to push the market, keep it towards the upside. Then what to do? And how is Bitcoin market today? Can you give your opinion? I've told, see, this is an important area, right, up to 91,000. So from here only selling pressures started. In crypto group, I think I said somewhere near 91,000, we can expect some correction. And market, I think before that only it has given that correction, right? So I consider on a 1 hour time frame, I'm considering this area. You can see selling pressure started here, and market again now it is near the selling pressure. This entire zone is seller's pressure zone, but this is on a 1 hour time frame. We are looking for opportunity on 3 minutes or 1 minute. So selling pressure zone is there, but little randomly any people who have entered bearish trade to hunt their stop loss, right? So if market gives a momentum like this, gives a breakout, and later if it is correcting, that time at the upper level any bearish setup, or if market goes below this, any bearish setup. Now the 50-50 market is looking like within this range. So bullish trade if I have to take now also, if the market is moving up to hunt the stop loss, around 370 points is the risk. Since I should have conviction either one side, right? Selling pressure zone, I'm having conviction related to that, but after hunting the stop loss, if it's correcting, for me things might be a bit challenging. Dow, as of now, it's no changes, it is just stagnant. These two things are something which we pay attention to. Another 15-20 minutes we'll get to know how this is performing. We'll see about that. I've not read any comment. Okay, I'll just read out the comment. Cup and handle pattern at resistance. Cup and handle pattern at the resistance. You are meaning this, which level are you considering as a resistance? This area as resistance, or you're saying this one as the resistance? Screen is little blur. Is the screen bit blur for you guys? Let me know. For me, connection, it is saying excellent. Maybe you can change the video quality in the YouTube setting. Good evening, sir. I'm new to Delta Exchange. I saw your intro video on Delta. Now I started trading. Now can you give me some tips? See, if you have, I've shared one basic video related to crypto around 30-35 minutes. Please go and check that video. I think after some time I will give you the link also. It's a free video on YouTube. You can go and check. In that, all the basic things I have covered. If you want to open, if you open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, you get access to crypto community group also. To start off, you can start checking out the strategy. Everything is what I'm giving in this community group is absolutely free of cost for anyone who opens account with Delta Exchange. So you can have a look at that if you're interested. Delta Exchange account opening link is there in the description box. Another 2 minutes. By then market can make, after that market can make any big spikes towards the upside or downside. We will see. Eagerly, even I'm waiting to understand what the market sentiment is. Actually, I was really down for the loss. I just came here to listen to your convincing and smooth words. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the feedback. What is your view on net for 1 month time frame? Nifty. Nifty, I personally feel that FIIs are continuously selling. Market little more correction is expected. Maybe this was just a bounce back of people covering their shorts before the expiry. We will see. Traders here, what the market is doing is it's just trying to hold on to 0.618 level from swing low to high. If you check from upside, you see there is some pressure. So confusion is there both the side. I haven't got access to crypto community group opened account link via your someone messaged me from your site that I have to complete first trade. You don't complete first trade and also just open the account. You send a WhatsApp message to this number. Okay. After this live stream, you send message. By tomorrow, I will respond. Okay. We'll look into this. You don't have to do any trade. Okay. Just open the account and send a message. Just take a screenshot of this number if you want. Okay. I'm going to remove this. There are some pending followers who has not yet come live. Dow Jones is holding flat. Rest of the things still data is not available. But is within a range what to do, traders. Any setup we have to get trade. As of now, we will just consider this area box as a no trading zone. Let market move up or at the upper level any bearish setup. If I get, I will look into it. Or if it goes below the zone, retest shows confirmation, any bearish trade, I will consider. Okay. Only problem is the spikes. Those spikes might hit the stop loss and things like that. As of now, here it is respecting 382 level. Here it's respecting 618 level. Nothing convincing right now. Okay, any message did I miss reading out? Good evening, sir. Vijay sir, good evening. Lot of stop loss at the bottom. Stop loss here also, you see, anyone who entered bearish trade here, right? Looking at this breakdown, their stop loss is here, right? If market came for a retest, whoever entered here, their stop loss is here. That is one concern for market. Will it move towards the upside? Now though it is showing some strong candles here, so we will see. As of now, S&P 500, Nasdaq, everything is kind of here. I don't know, I think it did not refresh. Still no data. Anthony sir, good evening, welcome to the live stream. As of now, just waiting for any confirmation towards the upside or downside. Within this box, I'm not having so much confidence to look for opportunity. Let me switch to 1 minute time frame. Okay, market is kind of showing some bearishness. This is the recent support, it was not able to break. Again, market need little more effort to move towards the upside. 1 2 3 times it has faced. I'll try with some small quantity right now. Let me see any entry level I get. It's not breaking this level. Where am I checking all the global data? This is money control website. You guys can go and have a look. I'll share the link here, sir, in the comment section. You won't go and have a look. Pressure, I am able to see some kind of pressure. So here I'm going to take a sell position, and the plan can be to place stop loss little higher. So some of you, if you want, if you're a bit worried, maybe you can wait until the breakdown. But for me, if I miss out on the opportunity, I might not get proper entry. So I've taken this position. Maybe 1:2 risk reward. Switch to 15 minutes time frame. Here continuously market corrected. Here up to this zone. Okay, this is decent risk reward for the trade. I'll just switch to 1 minute only. So now it is given the breakdown. We will see. This is my entry. This is my stop loss. Target is 1:2. Of course, I'm not stop loss I've placed, target I've not placed, because as you know, I keep extending the targets and going if market goes as per my direction. Now you see this is a very strong candle, right? So after this strong candle, if market has to continue, there's no point in me keeping bigger stop loss. So I will reduce the stop loss. Now my risk is very less. If I go here, just $7 is the risk. For that, market is giving me around $22. Now traders, I'll just get my stop loss to cost. Okay. Now if you want, already I think market has given 1 is to 1.5, 1 is to 2. You want to book means you book. I'll just leave this trade as it is. So if it's continuing, let it continue. I'll just be back. Just give me a second. Whoever wants to book, you can book. Okay. As per this setup, target done. Now I'll just leave it as it is. Now definitely little, all these buyers did not put any kind of pressure. Now next, what's happened to your trade? Anyone has entered along with me? Just let me know. Market is kind of okay. Now downside continuation, all those things is 50-50 chance, but I have nothing to lose, right? Cost to cost. So I've just left. Who wants to book, you can book. Sir, kindly read my comment. What's your name? Venkataraman. Where is your comment, sir? I'm not able to see. Missed you yesterday. Is that the comment? I miss you all too, sir. I made profit booked. Okay. See, exactly after reaching the target, market is reversing. What it is decided to do, only my conviction is this seller's pressure zone. So that's why I was looking more into bearish trade. So whoever booked profit, good. I booked $16. Okay. Recent again. Recent again, sir. What you recent, sir? Last comment, what I can say is kindly read my last comment. Next comment. This is pulling back. Who booked good? For me, nothing to lose in this trade. Little flat to positive market is okay. It has. I lost nothing in this trade. We will see. Whoever booked profit, good after the target. Hi sir, I feel still 200 points move is pending. Even I want market to correct, sir. If this is just a pullback to remove weak players, again movement can happen. See, during this fall, whoever entered bearish trade here, placing stop loss here and all, they would have seen some decent profit, right? Whoever entered here, they would have seen some decent profit already. Will market try to trap them or not? Little it is a confusing thing. So 50, 60, 60, 70% pullback, if it would have done, okay. It's done too much of pullback. Can take trade when retest. I'm seeing. Like I said, on 1 hour time frame, this is a seller pressure zone. Market is holding on. As long as it is holding on to this range, see, this entire zone is selling pressure zone. Okay, so don't be surprised if market goes up to this level also. But wherever a reasonable stop loss target opportunity I'm getting, I was just trying that. This was a good 1:2 risk reward, but it came off to cost to cost. Blast to bullish. Okay. I think yesterday also market just opened with a gap up, removed all the weak players, then it moved down, and then quickly it started to move towards the upside. Same kind of situation will it happen today? I'm a bit skeptical, because this entire zone is seller's pressure zone. Who entered at the upper level already, that have seen some profit. Maybe they will push the market little lower. Let us see if there is any solid momentum continuation or anything in the market. Again, it has come to this zone, right? So a little careful we might have to be. Time frame, sir. This is 3 minutes time frame chart. See, 15 minutes. Okay. Market is forming a wick here. Liquidity is there at this zone, means I feel market can correct. I might be wrong, but I'm little focused on bearish trade itself. That's why I'm not getting tempted by the upside move what the market is doing. Not able to understand anything, sir. What to do? Crypto. You're not able to understand anything? If you say exactly what you're not able to understand, are you not able to understand the current market sentiment, or you're not able to understand crypto altogether? Whatever it is, let me know. Then, not able to. See, first go and check out some basic videos. I've made some basic videos already. So if you go and have a look at that, it would be a bit helpful for you. One strong candle, again market correcting strongly. It is resisting this zone also. This zone also market is trying to hold. Sir, how are you taking trade and all? Next trade opportunity if I get, I will take. How to take trades, everything in that basic video I have discussed. Just that you guys have to go and watch. The first trade who and all booked profit, whatever it is, in the comment section, mention that. If you made use of that setup what I shared, put a like for the video. How many points is this? It's around 500 points. I have to give stop loss little higher. It will be 700 points. It's kind of concerning. This is a strong candle. Up to what level this market again it is correcting, we will see. As of now, there's 50% range, 50% to 618 level range. So bearishness also is happening. Are you doing like FNO, sir? Yeah, FNO trading only. This is futures market. How much is the risk? How much is the risk? 1000 points. What's the risk? 1000 points. Any pullback, better entry if I get it is fine. Here we will just observe what kind of Fibonacci levels market is kind of respecting. Then we can decide. How do you find buying seller pressure zone? It keeps changing day by day, right? Sometimes I use Fibonacci levels. Sometimes I will use where buy levels, psychological levels like 91,000, 90,000, all these are round numbers. Fibonacci I will use sometimes the support and resistance level. Now I feel, let me just show on a 1 hour time frame. Here market corrected so much, right? So in case anyone who entered at this breakout, he might expect next year's target to be here or here. After attracting some people, the sellers who's on top, he might have to not allow the market to go until the resistance. That time these people also will make profit. So where these people can re-enter, all those things to a certain extent we will try to calculate. So when it goes as per the view, bigger movement will be able to capture, right? That's all is about it. Abdul sir, thank you for liking the live stream. Thank you for everyone who's, I'm not yet taken a bearish trade because you see market is respecting 618 level zone, right? This zone. So that is one concern. First trading setup already done. At this breakdown, market had given around 50-55 points move. This the US market is also kind of dull itself. Crypto also nothing big. Hopefully any interesting setup if I get in another 20-30 minutes. So I think soul price action is more tradable. As of now, BTC I'm looking at, if I place stop loss target and all in this, then I can go and look at those also. Soul to these are the recent swing low. From here, if any buying pressure comes, it has to come now. If it comes off to this support, then chances is it is just going to be a pullback before the correction. So from this zone only Soul has to move up if it wants to move. Ethereum also is kind of nicely corrected and it is respecting 786 level and it has not yet come to the support. If there, I think there is a chance for this to move towards the upside before reaching the support. So here also I cannot look for any bearish trade. If it comes to the support, respects, retest and downside, then I can expect downside continuation. Here nicely it has attracted people. Now potential is there to move towards the upside. So both Sol, Ethereum is kind of saying it will move towards the upside, and our setup based on EMA is saying market will move towards the upside. 618 level market is respecting. So I think one attempt I can try. This is a reasonable entry for this, not bigger stop loss I'm giving. So it's just that looking at the data, I'm going to take this trade. Okay, I'm going to place a buy position here. Stop loss, I'll consider this area, move down at my stop loss, seeing around $45. $45 is more itself, so I'll reduce the stop loss a bit. So from here, for this, since market is respecting this level a lot, let's say I expect this level to break now. Entry here, stop loss here, and target, yeah, target I'm getting a bit less. Up to this zone. let's be a bit optimistic. We will try to reduce our risk as much as possible, because if it is just a pullback, bigger movement, if it is not, if you're not getting it, is a kind of problem situation. So again, you see, its market is coming to this zone only. What to do? How much ever possible stop loss I have reduced. So is it taking trend line support in 1 hour time frame from down? 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame support level is still far, no? If you can just consider the recent support also, support level is still lower. That would have been the profit booking area, at least for the bearish trade what I took earlier. So, this one just to, this is one of the make or break level for the market. If it is holding on to this level, moving up, okay, or else more focus will be on bearish trade. Who's more inclined towards bearish, wait a little more. So, sir, you have provided one video about crypto trading through EMA strategy. Can any other video with another strategy? Still, from my end, three courses is pending. Okay, one is Fibonacci based strategy. Okay, price action, stop loss hunting, Fibonacci based strategy. Second, option selling and option buying strategy. Okay, one more, uh, based on stop loss hunting, price action, using indicator. These three strategies from my end is pending. Once everything is prepared, I'm okay with the strategy. I've kept 2 people to back test a lot of things. So once that data is, I get everything is clear, then I will start making those videos, sharing it in the crypto community group. So you guys are interested, you can join the crypto community group. I can't promise the time frame. Minimum for the next strategy to come, I will take time until March. Okay, anytime during March or end of March I can give the strategy, right? Read my comment. Just I have installed Delta Exchange and seeing BT movement. Sometimes it, sometimes, sir, how to join your group? See, after opening account with Delta Exchange, reach out to my team. Okay, you send a WhatsApp message to us. Just give me some time. The setup, it is creating some problem. Strongly it is trapping people both the side. Nasdaq S&P 500 now slightly it is becoming bearish. My trading style is purely on price action, psychology and volume. Should I need to consider RSI? I don't consider RSI. Okay, I've taken a loss in this trade around 30-35 dollars. I would consider this as the first trading setup loss, because last trade was just cost to cost, trailed the stop loss to maximum. This is the recent swing. Our initial plan only was correct, simply got confused within the zone. This one candle, right? This is the candle which created the confusion. And when I started looking at other indexes, what was I sharing about Ethereum? See, this area was a make or break level, and Solana also, that area was make or break level. Still, it is just holding on. Still here, no confirmation. It's trying to give a breakdown here. So our main focus will be BTC. Setup also was giving confirmation traders. Okay, I'll see one more last trading setup. I'll wait for this time. How to draw support and resistance level. See, for that you should know some this one uh, basics related to price action, stop loss hunting, how to use the Fibonacci tool. All those things in my price action stop loss hunting course I have discussed, right? So if you guys have time, you have a look at that. It can be useful for you. Apart from that, based on psychology also, again we have to look at the market. This one is just, see, market has given a breakdown here. Now it is going for a retest at this area. It's not even giving a breakdown here, not showing any confirmation. Something fishy is happening in the market. Direction shifting to bearish in down for next 15 minutes. Next 15 minutes. This was a nice correction zone actually. So from the time I've started the live stream only, I'm seeing views kind of that bearish only because of the selling pressure zone, how market is respecting that. But both the side, if it is trapping, that means market is yet waiting to create some kind of liquidity and then it wants to move. See, like this moment, if it does, what to do? It's very difficult to catch the top and bottom all the time, right? Somehow I have to manage to catch the top or something like that. What is the risk? Risk is kind of reasonable. In this strong candle, last time I fell for that candle. This time I'm going short traders. Okay, entirely I'll leave it to the market. Let market decide what it wants to do. And because that is a selling pressure zone, all of those things I have factored in. Even after this, if market wants to hit my stop loss, I'm okay to give that. Stop loss is here, entry is here, market is at cost to cost. Ideally, this might be the last trade I take for the day. So this trend line, this area is what I'm targeting for. Okay, around 1600 points. We'll try to cut our losses as much as possible, right? If the market is keep moving towards the downside. You can process with short. Next support for buyer zone is at 87,000. Okay. If sellers are strong, they should not allow the market to go again to the selling pressure zone. From there only nicely they have moved it towards the downside. So they're trying to hold on to that range. So as per my first view, I've taken the bearish trade, right? In the comment section, just let me know if you have understood why I have taken the bearish trade. Is the view clear? I think we can first look for bullish trade. So can we can around 80 people watching the live stream, only 59 likes. Try to match the likes at least with the number of views traders. It motivates me to stay live for even longer, right? Yes, sir, it is clear. Okay, thanks for confirming. In this zone, too much trapping happened. So I should have considered the pullback level initially itself for my entry. Anyways, this time I've tried to correct my mistake. So even after this, if market is saying I want to move up, then it is entirely up to it. Sensible stop loss I have given. Feel like it will be sideways for some time. Okay. So there is no volume for this, or you just don't use. I'm not giving too much importance to volume. Because when people are trying to close their positions also, right? Let's say in this area, when people were trying to close their position, or they wanted to hunt the stop loss, that time also volume would have been there. So if I take that as a volume confirmation and then I consider it as a breakout, then I should have taken a bullish trade, right? So that is something which I don't usually have to look at. In Indian market, to a certain extent I will give importance to that, but not in crypto market. Market wants to be sideways or things like that, that's okay. We have taken trade in the futures market, so no issues there. Thanks for everyone who's liking the live stream. In the comment section, please mention your name. Top 5 names. After liking the video, mention your name. I'll announce 5 names, right? Mention your name in the comment section. Arun sir, thank you. Shinglamoy, thank you. You have come a bit late, Shinglamoy sir, to the live stream. Les Grossman. Okay. Suresh sir, thank you. Venkat sir, Arvind. Ariva sir. Ariva, nice name. Shika. Sorry. Shekhar sir. Kasi, thank you everyone for liking the live stream. Market is playing games, both the side traders. Hopefully, if the setup goes reasonable stop loss only, reasonable target. John sir, thank you so much. Satyam sir, thank you. What a choppy market. Yes, very, very choppy. See, if it is once or twice, if it hunts the stop loss, then it is deciding to go as per price action stop loss hunting. Okay. Even if opposite trade I have taken, I'm giving the stop loss, I'm okay with that. But only problem is, you know, still not yet decided what it wants to do next. Means it is a problem. Sir, if you can plot the reversal point using Fibonacci, how can we enter into the trade? What confirmation can we use to enter? It depends on the, let's say here, market was respecting 786 level. Here I could see some selling pressure, and the seller who was here, he nicely pushed the market towards the downside. That means there is some pressure from his end. So if he is really strong at this zone, he might re-enter, because he know if market again comes to this area, if everyone enters, then most probably stop loss hunting can happen. So market can reverse. Rather than that, here if they enter, then possibility of him pushing the market even lower would be high, and whoever entered at breakout or looking strong candles to hunt their stop loss, they can expect little more momentum towards the downside to remove those buyers. So that's how Fibonacci is used based on stop loss hunting. 7th March, Trump crypto submission news there. Okay. See, Trump and all, how much we need to believe, I don't know. As a politician who has very strong power, they have to have a stable mindset. That's all I can say, in my opinion. Every day they keep threatening everyone by saying, I'm going to increase tariff, that this. Quickly he changes his mind, and how much volatile because of him only the market is. Can we buy above the previous smaller time frame swing high below the Fibonacci level? Can we buy? You're asking bearish or bullish setup. See, recently you see market swing high to low, you see. It's respecting around 50%, 50-60%. If it is respecting and showing some correction, that is there. Here it is creating, it's not yet decided exactly what it wants to do. Some people will consider this as flag and pull. Market is bit choppy itself, like sir said. Bullish trade and all, be a bit careful. Sellers are continuously pushing the market from top, and the moment what is happening towards the downside also, you see it is proper price action. High, low, lower high, lower low. Here again it is respecting, again lower low. If it happens lower low, good. I'm just saying. That too, this area is selling pressure zone, like I said earlier. Just go to 1 hour time frame. In crypto community group earlier only I've said this was the first seller pressure zone where these sellers can re-enter. Again, this area I'm considering as selling pressure zone. So hopefully as long as these sellers who are there strong, they are planning to re-enter, it is kind of okay for me to stay a bit bearish in the market itself. Seems sideways with spike candle. See, I'll leave it to the market. As per my understanding, it can be bearish to sideways. So if it is sideways also for quite some time, it's not a problem since I've taken the trade in the futures market. Sudden spike, all those things, possibility, is it there? Opposite side, it is there. So best thing what we can do, we can try to reduce our loss by slowly trailing. hmm? See, this entry also I had planned somewhere here, but my entry got triggered here. That is one issue. Any other message in case I have missed? Please type it again. I'll read that out. Prashant sir, thank you so much for liking the video. I don't know if I mentioned your name last time. So do you conduct in-person meeting or sessions for subscribers or followers? I've not done anything as such until this point of time, but I want to have a meeting, right? There are certain things I want to speak to them about. Once I was back from Singapore only, I plan to do that after the break. Little, I'm just seeing time. Be stay tuned to free Telegram channel. In that, when next I'm going to conduct first Zoom meeting, when I'm going to conduct, I will tell you. Okay. Now, who and all entered along with me? Around 600 points move. Okay. Market, is it choppy? Yes, it is choppy. Volatile? Yes, it is volatile. Just sticking to the view, you want to reduce your risk means please do that. Hmm? Can you please explain about Delta Exchange interface, everything? For that already I made a basic video, right, covering everything. So if you go and have a look at that video, it will be very useful for you, right? You want the video link, I will share. Okay, just give me a second. See, whoever has entered along with me, you want to trail and go, please do that. Okay. Many people, without knowing the basics only, they'll be in the market, right, taking random trades and things like that. So I've shared one video link, have a look at this. hmm? In this, everything, how to place stop loss, how to place targets, how uh, based on US dollars, we are very used to trading in Indian rupees, right? But when we are trading in dollars, how we need to manage our risk, how is brokerage calculated, each and everything I have covered. It's just that you have to just give 30 minutes time to cover, uh, to learn all the basic stuff, right? Don't watch now, please watch after the live stream. If you want, you can save the link and keep. Did anyone enter the trade along with me? Just let me know. Slowly keep reducing the risk. Entered. Anup sir. Okay. Manage your risk, sir. Already market has given close to 700 points move. Make use of it. See, there is nothing wrong if you trail your stop loss up to this zone also and market hits your stop loss. Okay, don't worry about all that. Protecting your capital is the most important thing. You want to trail your stop loss, give that stop loss, get capture that move. You can do that. Trail to cost. Okay. Okay, as of now, $74. Who wants to trail stop loss, please do that as much as possible. Okay. Ganesh Arvind, for what you're saying, yes, sir, I don't know. Oh, you mean you entered along with me? Okay. I exited at buyer zone. You are considering this as buyer zone? Okay. I'm not considering this as buyer zone. I don't know, movement is happening, but still will reduce our risk. Now, nothing to worry in this trade. At least for me, I kept uh, st- my entry price only as stop loss area. So, just like the first trade, okay, I'm already saying who wants to book, you book and go. Good move. Yeah, move was good, sir. I'm planning for at least 1:2. What this is doing? Exit, entered. Okay. Whoever entered, manage your risk traders. Okay. I can't keep repeating that. I can't stress that enough because it becomes individual responsibility to manage the risk. Yatish entered the trade along with you. Okay, but no reply from your end from the this one. I don't think I think this is your first comment, Danny sir. Where were you? It's wiping out profits. Good, let it. Anyone who entered at the support, little pressure they would have seen in the market. Can I draw? Can you draw a trend line correcting to red bottom wicks? This zone. Okay. Now this is close to 1,000 points, is it? No, 900 points. But 900 points is decent, right? So you want to book it. You want to hold it. Up to you. Here market is forming double bottom, no, but I'm not having belief in this double bottom, to be honest. I don't know if it is going to correct up to this zone. It might cost to cost and then correct. I don't know. Since I'm having a bearish view, I'm just trying to Cost to cost, I've kept this one. I made it risk free and holding. Now it's entirely up to the market. What is happening here? This though, I don't think any. Is there any data which has to be coming out? I'm not sure. If anyone can have a look and let me know, is any report or anything as such coming out? See, over entered with me. If you have trailed your stop loss to maximum, if trailing stop loss is hit, don't think about holding the trade for too long, right? Seems double bottom forming. Yeah, double bottom, visually it is looking like double bottom. For me it is cost to cost. I want to go as per the trend, so I've just left it as it is. Fed meeting, what time? What time, sir? Let me know. I think people are waiting for that meeting or something like that. That's why you can see there is no big movement. Market is just trying to stay within a range or something. Oil investors in 6 minutes. Oil investors, that is okay. Apart from that, I think there is some other meeting, so I'm not yet aware of. Actually, I forgot. That might be one of the main reason why US market is kind of holding, right? So no other possible reason I'm thinking of. Looking at this double bottom, many people would have entered, but I have not exited because I feel it can correct. Okay, I've informed that already. Today is more than 1 hour live stream done. If you guys are making use of the content, support the channel. If you're new to the channel, every day I come live around 7:45 to 8. So if you're interested, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon so that immediately you get notified when I come live. Usually I prefer to come 10 or 15 minutes before 8 o'clock, right around 7:45, around that time, so that I can explain my point of view. Then we will have enough time to uh, uh, reply to your comments and things like that. Little, if it breaks off the zone, right, market, instead of going green candle, it should not break this area. If it just shows continuation, comes off to the support again, I feel possibility is there for downside. Should not break this area. Whoever entered along with me, definitely you would still be in profit. You want to exit means exit, okay? Entirely up to you. Yeah, I think from April, Nifty's expiry is changed to Monday. I'm aware about that. What kind of, many people would have had different strategies and things like that based on the weekly expiry. A little strategy they have to change. 12:30 a.m. Thursday. Until 12:30 we will not be live. If market is just making lower highs and lower lows moving towards the downside, it's good thing only for us. As of now, it has not gone above this zone, right? It is good. We are seeing some selling pressure, hopefully. Manage your risk, traders, manage your profit. Okay, as long as you don't book, don't get tempted by what you see here. As long as you don't book, it is not yours. I'm reducing my risk now. Now whatever happens, I'm ending up in profit only, right? At least, at least 500 points. So that small loss what I made in the previous trade, that would be taken care of. Everyone is waiting for Fed meeting. I think this is the important one. That's what traders, people not pushing the market means, that's why I was little doubtful that there is going to be some kind of meeting today. Who's entered along with me, trail your stop loss, traders, trail your stop loss. Don't be without trailing. Trail as much as possible. Actually, it's a decent move itself. Hmm? Who's still in trade, you would have seen around 1100, 130 points. How are things going? Whoever is still in trade, let me know. Earlier only I said, right, I'm not believing in the support zone. Nicely trapped. Now is it going to continue or not? I don't know. I have 50% chance now. That's why I've trailed my stop loss to as much as possible and I have left it. If it goes hits my target, it is good thing only. But now things are risk free, right? So let's not worry too much. What kind of move was that? Trail to 88,400, somewhere near my zone itself. Okay. See, those who are there in crypto group, this update what I shared, if you had noticed this somewhere near 91,000, I expected market to correct. Earlier only I had informed about this. Market did not go to 91,000, but from where did it correct? Somewhere near 90,900, 100 points difference. But since you know that is selling pressure zone, ideally you would have not entered the trade there. So like this, whenever I'm get little other commitments, things are there. That's why very often I'm not able to share the update. Once those things are sorted out, things will be better for me. Things are getting a bit postponed. Figured out the right stop loss is something I have to work on in Indian market. Minimizing risk. True, sir. Crypto market is very volatile. Here in crypto, we do futures. It is better. See, that is one advantage. That's why I say in crypto also, when you're getting that leverage that you need, why you have to go. Now, whoever wants to exit, please exit. Okay, I can't stress that enough. Anytime one spike, one pullback, profit will reduce. Here, nothing. It is just flat. Some bullish continuation. Now your accuracy of success rate in crypto market is increased compared to the initial stage. Okay. Crypto market also is new for me. Volatility, all those things were there. So it's okay. There will be good months, good weeks. There will be bad weeks. But if you see, even when my accuracy was high or low, always I had always ensured that my stop loss, without placing that, I was never there, right? So good days or bad days doesn't matter. Have we placed the stop loss? Target and all, market let it give, not give, that is secondary. Stop loss have I placed? That is the most important thing. Immediately we used to place. Okay, so in this trade around $64-65 I have made. Whoever booked their profit up to this zone, good. This reversal I'm not able to this one. Like I said, this breakdown possibility was there. Later this reversal I said 50% chance only. I trailed my stop loss as much as possible. Now what is happening is market is trying to make some kind of bullish price action pattern. I feel that way. uh, Let me show that to you. If I switch to 3 minutes, it will be better. See, here what is happening is it is giving opportunity for sellers to enter, right? Where is it giving opportunity? Resistance, 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 resistance. So if it comes to the support and this range becomes narrow, this resistance level market is respecting. At some point of time, if it comes out of this range after breakout, retest, continuation, then bigger movement possibility is there, right? So this is one bullish price action setup you guys can focus about. So initially only view was everything correct. Where is it? 1 hour time frame was telling you this is a selling pressure zone. From here we could have ideally captured. The first trade also was bearish only, around 2500 points. Okay, no problem. Small, anyways, that one cost to cost, small risk whatever I took, I recovered all those things at least in this trade by trailing my stop loss. So nothing to worry here. As of now, expectation is this can be a range in the market. So within this range, at the upper level any bearish trade, at the lower level any bullish trade, like that you focus. But as the range becomes narrow, try to be a bit careful. If it gives a breakout retest and shows confirmation, you see you will get a small stop loss and bigger stop loss hunting level setup, maybe 50% of this correction. Okay, so that's how I would suggest people at this point of time. After this, whoever is going to look at the market, stay tuned with, okay, Anup sir, Kashi sir, if trailing stop loss hit, no problem, even my trailing stop loss hit. So now you can see market is kind of again it is correcting up to 60%, 50%. At the upper zone any bearish setup means small stop loss, bigger target you will be able to achieve. Like that opportunity you guys try to focus on. Okay, 1 hour 18 minutes live stream done. As of now, in as per what I see, there's no any other interesting setup. So I think I will close. 3 trades I have taken. One, some people booked the profit. I took cost to cost. One small stop loss. Next, this was a decent move. Anyways, thank you everyone for participating. Good night. Have a good day. Currently 50%, 50 profit and trailing. Okay, whoever trailed maximum how much ever possible we captured. This one move has spoiled. It would have given some reversal, would have reduced the profit a bit, but as much as possible we have trailed a stop loss, right? So I will consider this as a good trade itself. Many times I said who wanted to exit, you can exit. As of now, wait for a range, wait for a pullback, any bearish setup if possible, look for that, bearish probability, and later if market is becoming tight, avoid trade here. Any bullish setup, try to focus on that. Okay, so let's say this breakout retest, it's not giving breakout. If it corrects, then change the view to bearish. Breakout retest breakout, then focus on the bullish setup. So this is the view. Now one last see, trendline rejection zone also is coming here. 618 level also is coming here. If it gives a breakout or anything as such, any bearish setup, small stop loss, bigger target. Okay, so this is the view for next, let's say, half an hour, 40 minutes. Thank you everyone for participating. Good night. God bless you. Bye bye. Before closing the live stream, at least like the video. Okay, thank you traders. Bye bye.